Developments tonight in the murder of Holly Bobo. After months of delays, we now know who will be in charge of prosecuting the case after Decatur County DA removed himself last year. Chris Conti has more from Decatur County Court.
This was one of those days where Holly Bobo's name wasn't even mentioned once, and it was a hearing that likely wouldn't have even occurred had that very public and very embarrassing fallout not have happened between Matt Stowe and the TBI late last year.
2 days removed from the 4-year anniversary of the day she disappeared.
All rise.
And yet, in a way, this morning's court proceedings had very little to do with her.
I have an ethical duty to my client.
Jennifer Thompson represents Zach Adams. He is the prime suspect in the murder and kidnapping of nursing student Holly Bobo.
My objection is the manner by which they did this.
At issue today was the appointment of Special Prosecutor Jennifer Nichols from Memphis. Nichols was brought in to prosecute the case after Decatur County DA Matt Stowe was forced to recuse himself in December, following a meeting in which he told the TBI he no longer trusted them.
I don't think this court had the authority to appoint Jennifer Nichols or any other District Attorney General.
Dylan Adams' attorney argued much of the same thing, saying that since Nichols worked under Stowe prior to his recusal, she had a conflict of interest.
I state unequivocally.
In the end, though, the judge allowed her to stay on as the lead prosecuting attorney.
And in looking at this, there are no irregularities. The appointment is valid.
Holly's family applauded following the decision.
Do you feel like Matt Stowe is the cause of this whole hearing today?
I feel like the people that killed Holly Bobo are the cause of this hearing today.
Is the family upset at all with Matt Stowe for kind of dropping the ball along the way here?
I'd rather not comment on it.
And so in the same week of the same day she disappeared, Holly Bobo's case is finally moving forward.
They are relieved with the proceedings today.
It does now appear that things might finally start moving in this case as the judge has set pretrial motions to be heard on June the 3rd. In Decatur County this evening, Chris Conti, News Channel 5 HD.